everybody, I'm Ashley and this is a product introduction video for Geometrix Die Collections. There are 3 separate different dies I'm going to be introducing in this particular product introduction video for Ink to Papers, June 2019 release. This die collection was designed and illustrated by Jennifer Campbell. Again, there are 3 separate dies. You have, I'm going to start with the first one here. Geometrix Hexagon, and this is a hexagon shape. You get 2 different dies in this die collection, and it retails for $26. You get this one here that has the single stroke part that you can remove and use to frame a particular image or a sentiment or something like that. And you also get the actual Geometrix hexagon shape here, so you can use the actual just basic shape. The second die includes a layered stroke line that you can use to frame certain things on your cards, and the actual insert also pops out as well, because you can use that as a base on your card to have a different color for an insert for, let's say, a sentiment or a greeting or something like that. So I'm going to show you my card here that I used the Geometrix Hexagon for, and I put it with the Luxe Adhesive Gold. Looks really good, and the cool thing about it is because it is self-adhesive, it's super easy to adhere. You can use it landscape or portrait style, either way, on a portrait style card, a landscape style card or a portrait card, either way. You can double them up and layer them here, so I could have added this one as well to get more interest of the layered geometric type of look. And then you can add whatever image you want in the background. So this is Geometrix Hexagon. Again, 2 separate dies. Really cool way to frame certain things. Very on trend right now, and it retails for $26. Okay, so the next one I'm going to show you is this one here. And this one is Geometrix Rectangle. So this is, of course, a rectangle shape. Again, the same concept, 2 different dies. This one is the full rectangle, the regular basic shape with the stroke around it that you can remove to frame. And this one is the layered stroke geometrics type of effect. Again, you can use the insert for sentiments and greetings or to hold whatever you want to frame. And this particular die collection retails for $24. Okay, so you get 2 dies for that price. The cool thing about it, it looks so great. Again, you can use these portrait or landscape. I've used it portrait here on this card, and I actually layered it here, so I used both the die strokes part. I added this one here on the bottom, and then I added that one on top. You really can't tell unless you look super closely. And I just added this little frame in the middle, but it just creates a unique look with the geometric type of effect. Okay, so the last one I have to share is Geometrix Oval. Of course, this is an oval shape. You can use it landscape or portrait as well. Again, you get the solid stroke or you get the layered stroke as an option. And this one retails for $26. And here is my card here. I die cut this from Hibiscus Burst Paper Trinks cardstock here. And I die cut both of the solid image and the layered one, and I layered them all together. The cool thing, looks really cool about this is embellishing the frame with florals looks great. I'm sure there's certain other elements and things you have in your particular creative supplies that would look great with the Geometrix Oval, Rectangle, or Hexagon shapes here and the new Geometrix die collection. So lots of great things you can do with this. You can use different materials like cardstock. You can use adhesive gold. This is a Luxe Gold cardstock here that I actually adhered with just some glue. So many great things you can do. So much fun you can have. It looks great. Check out the project samples on our blog for today. And I hope this inspires you to frame sentiments, florals, and whatever you can dream up to be creative and frame with. That's it for today. For Ink to Paper, I'm Ashley, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!